Go.
As I look into the eyes of the devil, I see a man that affected many people's lives. My mentality comes from the streets. Sometimes it was to get money for my family to eat. Trying to find freedom, but ain't looking hard enough. System got a hold of me, so I can't escape. Grandma told me always watch your back. My little sister, I just wonder where she at. Mama left me for a quick high. After that, she went bye-bye. Mama kissed me on the cheek. When she left, after that, all I could see was death. Dad was always gone, so that made me upset. But when I found that out, I had no respect, no love, and no remorse for him. After all the things I did to get me in these situations. Being away from the system is a very exciting vacation. Looking for the right path, but the devil was traveling to my new location. God Road is my destination. I spent most of my childhood years in placements in detention. If that was to teach me to change, I learned my lesson. But drugs was one of my big professions in my life. The streets was my paradise. The world is one big dirty stain you just can't wipe. I thought being a hustler was life. Money or death is my only option. The more I make my loot, the more the clock keep ticking. My mama always told me you can lead a horse through the water, but you can't make it drink. My life is a little boat in the water. Eventually it will sink. So many thoughts in my mind, I just can't think. When I was young, I was told to count my blessings. Going to school was the biggest thing for me. I wonder why love and joy abandoned me. Pride was never around my family. When I do something positive, I just have a feeling that it's not positive. All these days I had a negative mindset. When the love of your life is gone, tell me if there's anything left. Only thing stopping me in the world is death. Honest to God, I think death is the Holy Spirit. If Jesus was to talk to me, I just can't wait to hear from him. Life was made just to throw, reality to gain. I'm ready to play. People always said that the world is full of mind games. Running the streets and doing drugs, I wasn't in the right mind frame. As I seen people want to throw their life away like a soda can, I was that type of person. My little brother's last words was, I love you. Standing in the dark alone, I feel like my mama never wanted to be home. When she hit the crack pipe, shame was flowing through my veins. I cried only on my sister's shoulder because that was my pillow for pain. My sisters were what they call the love of my family. Wherever they go, I go. If they cry, I cry. That's just the type of love we develop. I haven't seen my sister since she was 16 years old. I wish I was there to see her leave. Sometimes I think, was my life a screw up? I always knew not to give up till they give up. I live in a city with no joy. I'm traveling to freedom, never heard from my mom, but my dad, I want to meet him. I ask myself, do you deserve to be alive? Then I ask myself, how many people are alive? It's crazy because that's why I'm scared to die. But God saved my life on February 2013.